Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use formulas in Monday.com to calculate values automatically and make your project management even more efficient. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to go to this website, themonday.com. And in here, as you can see here, you will be able to see here, and then you just need to click on dashboard. And here, to get started, here you just need to add a formula column. So you need to go to any board where you want to use formulas. Just need to click add column and select formula from the list. As you can see here, you just need to search for the word formula. So here I'm going to type the word formula and you just need to tap on that one. And here, once you've added the formula column, you can start entering formulas. So here, tap on that one. So for example, you can create a basic formula to calculate the total cost by multiplying quantity and price. So as you can see here, they will also teach you how to use these features. So they will give you an example of that one. And they also support functions which make it easy to do more complex calculations. And after that one, that's all. And that's a quick intro to using formulas in money.com. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. And thank you for watching.